The impact of the openness on the ecosystem fundamentally means more companies building AI. So earlier I've spoken about a world where a billion agents exist. A billion agents aren't going to run on just one type of platform, not going to just run on one on CPU or one GPU. It's going to require dozens of GPUs for one model. And ultimately, to serve this at scale, we're going to need billions of GPUs. And that can't come from just one company. And developers need to have the freedom to think about the model layer and how they're going to support their customers, not how do we get performance out of some arbitrary hardware. The hardware and the software should just be there to serve them and accelerate their efforts in building these models. That is what openness is. I am a huge fan of AMD platforms. It's what I'm building for and building from. Um, I think the hardware is absolutely fantastic. I think it is underrated today, but I think soon people will fully realize just how good that hardware is. And it is far better than they think. I think we're still in the steam engine days of computing, especially when it comes to AI. And I think within a few years, everything will look very, very different from what it looks like today. Transformers with reasoning, with reinforcement learning and chain of thought are very powerful, and they're showing us what is possible. But I think 3 years from today, we will not be talking about the models we are today. I think we will see an entirely new paradigm and kind of intelligence that I hope gets built on AMD.